Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. Basically, this is very simple quiz, but sometimes people solve this quiz in a wrong way and get the wrong answer. So here we have to see which answer is correct after solving using the PAMDAS and BODMAS method and get the correct result. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now, let's move towards to understand what are the rules we will follow to solve this expression. As you can see on the screen, we have two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rules, which we can follow to solve this expression. You can solve you can follow any other rule like PEMDAS or PEDMAS, but these rules are similar ones and these rules are using in different region. So that's why we can say like we can use any rule which we can be used for this solving this expression. So now if you want to understand like what is this rule. So basically, if you see this rule says like if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After that, you have to see the exponent or power of any number. So you have to solve that part after the bracket. And if you solve these two like steps, so you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. As you can see on the screen, like division and multiplication has same precedence. So you can solve division first if it is coming first, and you can solve the multiplication first if it is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. So now let's move towards to solve the given expression. As you can see on the screen, we have 12 divided by 33 plus 3 plus 16 minus 7 and multiply by 4. So we can follow to solve um, uh, this rule, this expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method. So first you have to see, like we have to see the bracket and you can see the parenthesis. So here we have two parentheses, which is 12 divided by 3 and 16 divided by 7. So we will write like this way, 12 divided by 3, which is equals to 4, right? And plus 3 plus, or we can write like this term as it is right now. We will solve one by one. So here we can say like, here we will solve first this bracket. We can write like this one, 12 divided by 3 equals to 4. Now, move forward to solve the other uh, bracket. So we will write other thing as it is. Okay, one more thing we have did mistake here. So 1 3 is, we cannot write 1 3, right? Now we have 16 minus 7 here. So we can solve this one. So 16 minus 7, which is equals to 9. Multiply by 4. So here we will write. Now we do not have any bracket or parenthesis, or even we do not have any power of any number. So now we will move forward and see division and multiplication. So this part we will see division and multiplication. So now we will go left to right in our expression, left to right, and solve the division or multiplication. So if you go left to right, so here we have addition, also another addition here, and here we have the multiplication. So first we have to solve this part in our expression. We solve this one, 4 plus 3 plus 9 for the 36, right? Now move forward to write the reference here, right? 36. Now again, we have to go left to right and find out division and multiplication. So, but in our expression, we do not have right now multiplication and division. So what we will do, like see the addition and subtraction. So first we have this one is the addition. So first we will add this part plus 36 we will write as it is. And in the end, we have two terms. We will add these two terms. So when we will add these two terms, we get the answer is 43. So the answer of the given expression is 43. So I hope you understand like how you can solve this expression very easily and very quickly. And actually, I follow here multiple steps because I want to teach you very basic in very basic manner. So that's why I follow each step. So you can skip multiple steps and you can solve uh, different groups in one line. So you can get the answer very quickly. So I hope you understand. Like if you see the answer list, so the answer A is the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Also, one other thing, we have added some English grammar quizzes or general knowledge quizzes. So you can solve that one as well from our channel and like write your score in comment box so we can see like how much you got it from our channel. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.